And now Mr. McCory will present the Glory of Missouri Awards.
All right, each year I have the distinct privilege of presenting these awards to 14 outstanding 8th grade students. These honors are for a very special group of students who demonstrate outstanding academic dedication and excellence throughout their middle school years. We're proud to recognize the 14 recipients of this year's Glory Missouri Awards. These students were selected by the teachers and staff who know our 8th graders best. It's still going to be a mystery tonight of who will actually win the award. Before we present the awards, we're honored to see and have a representative. John, did you practice your song?
I did.
He's a little, all right, he won't sing this year. We are glad to have him. He represents our 121st district. And these awards have been possible for him and his office. What is the student's name? You're going to come up, shake hands, get your award, and instead of stopping here, remember we're going to go all the way over there to the basketball. All right, let's get started. Our first Glory Missouri Award tonight is for charity. This award recognizes a student who's kind, generous, and respectful to others. Camden Gentleman. Puts others first, lends a helping hand, and shows genuine care, making our school a better place. Congratulations, David. Finally, the award for education. This award honors a student who values learning and inspires others to do the same. Joseph Starkey. Positive attitude and encouragement to his classmates. Our next award is for Enterprise. This award celebrates creativity and innovation. Haley Copeland. Haley was chosen for taking initiative, having imagination, and demonstrating confidence, and showing determination. Our next award is for quality. This award recognizes a student who treats everyone with fairness and respect. Bailey Lewis. And the simple and consistent way she makes others feel valuable. Our next award is the award for fraternity. This award is a student who builds community and supports others, and that's Dakota Baker. For his welcoming nature, teamwork, and ability to work together. I'm also proud of his mother that did not let him wear his gorilla suit tonight. It would have been cool, but our next award is for honor. This award recognizes integrity and strong character. Devin Humshe. Devin is chosen to consistently do what is right, keeping his word, Selena Ruiz. Selena was selected for her consistency in following rules and setting a positive example for others. Congratulations, Selena. Our next award is for Liberty. This award honors a student who values individuality and freedom. That goes to Bentley White. He brought his family. Bentley was chosen for respecting others' choices while staying true to himself. Our next award is for progress. This award celebrates growth and determination. William Beach. Bill was selected for his responsibility, hard work, and commitment to bringing hope back to the school. Our next award is for temperance. This award recognizes self-control and positive attitude. Isabel Goodman. Isabel was chosen for her own humor, patience, good judgment, and ability to work well with others. We're at our third hour of our award ceremony. Next up, our next award is for truth. This award honors honesty and sincerity. And that goes to Adriana Jones. Adriana was selected for consistently being truthful and encouraging honesty in others. Our final award is for virtue. This award recognizes strong moral character. Mariah Cindy. Mariah was chosen for her integrity, thoughtful decisions, and commitment to doing what is right. Christian, maybe you can go over where the kids are. And this Christian, if you would take some group pictures with our representative and our students.